I promise to support all of your ever-evolving hobbies, even if they cost a lot of money and change every 6 months.
I vow to continue telling you more and more creative bedtime stories when you can't fall asleep.
And most importantly, I promise to show you how I love you for the rest of our lives.
And I vow to never stop being curious and never stop exploring life together. Saying I love you, moving in together, getting a dog, living together abroad, and finally getting married, this is only the beginning.
Alex, 34 years later, and you are still one of my favorite people in this world.
He may lose interest in his hobbies quickly, but he's never lost interest in Sasha.
Alex, I've watched you turn into a kind, smart, loving, and genuine person. Traits I'm sure Sasha treasures as much as we do. I'm proud of who you've become, is what I'm trying to say.
One of the things we admire most about Sasha is her ability to find joy and beauty in everything.
Sasha, from the first moment I held you in my arms, I knew you were special. You looked at me with your mom's eyes and said, "Hi, Dad."